Yo, what's up guys? I just want to give you a little bit of quick Friday motivation. So the weekend's here and a lot of you guys are going to be able to go kiting, and I just want to encourage you guys to not be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid about falling, crashing. You got to be a little bit crazy to learn new tricks. And sometimes guys come to me in a clinic and they have all the skills to pull off what they need to pull off, but they just don't have that gutsiness. So I want to encourage you to be gutsy. Don't be afraid of failure. And anybody who rides with me knows that I crash more than anybody. I'm actually quite a dog shit rider sometimes. So here's a video of me crashing a shitload. And yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you follow me on Instagram.
Fail early, fail often, fail forward. You know, it's always a little bit frustrating to me when people have a negative relationship with failure. Failure is a massive part of being able to be successful. You have to get comfortable with failure. You have to actually seek failure. Failure is where all of the lessons are. You know, when you go to the gym and you work out, you're actually seeking failure. You want to take your muscles to the point where you get to failure, because that's where the adaptation is. That's where growth is. Successful people fail a lot. They fail a whole lot more than they succeed, but they extract the lessons from the failure and they use that, the energy, and they use the wisdom to come around to the next phase of success.